Hi friends, welcome to our channel. For more new technology news and information, subscribe our channel. Today I share overview of Tivoli music system 3 portable hi-fi system. Gloss white. Key features: 2 channel stereo design, dual 3 full range drivers, Bluetooth wireless music streaming, built-in rechargeable battery. The music system 3 portable hi-fi system from Tivoli in gloss white allows you to enjoy music from wired and wireless music sources. This system incorporated dual 3 drivers for full range sound and even has dual ports on the rear for enhanced bass sound. Built-in Bluetooth enables wireless music streaming from similarly equipped music sources such as smartphones and tablets. Furthermore, the built-in AM and FM tuner allows the music system 3 to play free over-the-air content. Supported by an external telescopia antenna, this system even features a built-in rechargeable battery, which offers approximately 20 hours of battery life. Thanks to this system, rear 3.5 mm auxiliary interface, you can connect a wide variety of wired music sources. 4 times when personal listening desired, a headphone output is also on board. With a weight of 3.6 IB and an integral carrier handle, the Music System 3 is well suited for on-the-go use. As an added convenience, the included full-function remote control can be conveniently stored in the carrying handle. Built-in battery for up to 20 hours of battery file. AM or FM RDS tuner with external FM antenna and internal ferrite rod. Integrated carrying handle conveniently houses the full-function remote control. 2 custom 3 full range long throw transducers for stereo sound with dual bass ports. Brush metal multifunction control wheel gives instant access to power, volume and snooze. LCD screen shows RDS stations information when available as well as track information from your Bluetooth enabled device. Proprietary wide circuit is designed to create big sound from a small cabinet. Dual independent alarm sleeps, timer, snooze and auto time set. Adjustable backlight, contrast and equalization. Real-time clock maintain time during power outages. Universal Audio Apollo Twin X Duo Thunderbolt 3 desktop audio interface with real-time UAD processing. Key features: high-speed Thunderbolt 3 host connection, duo-core real-time UAD processing, 2x unison-enabled mic preamps, 1x1x4 heads input and optical input. The Universal Audio Apollo Twin X Duo is desktop Thunderbolt 3 audio interface with real-time UAD processing designed for high-resolution recording and mixing for musicians, producers and audio engineers in mobile producing rigs and project studios, delivering the sound, feel and flow of analog recording with low distortions and immense delay. Designed to perform a central role in a modern studio, the Apollo Twin Duo offers elite class conversion akin to the Apollo X rack mount interface, plus an array of analog and digital I/O. The interface features 2 XLR 1x4 combo inputs and 1x4 His input, all with Unison's integration for UAD emulations of classic analog preamps. Each analog input boards a switchable low-cut filter, 48 volt phantom power paired polarity inversions and stereo linking. Thank you for watching my video. Please do subscribe my channel.